I will never be alive to see this marriage happen. Over my dead body.
I will not marry Arinze.
Yes,
I will cut off your head.
She's yet to see the Second World War. She's yet to see it. I will give it to her in full.
War is coming and it is going to be very dangerous.
Without end.
I will show that small girl.
And it has become a world war affair. I am a World War III, too soon.
I told you that anywhere I see you, we will fight. Even if I see you in hell or in hell, we will fight. Are you mad? Are you mad? I can fight.
Your madness has gotten to this level. Don't carry your mouth and stay one place. Else you'll be the first person to die now.
The penalty for what she did is death.
Am I not worse than a dead person?